In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile PayPal general currency conversion transactions in 5 minutes. We'll move through this quickly and clearly so you can mirror the process in your own file. Start by signing into Xero, head to the login page, click login, and enter your secure credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. From the dashboard, open your PayPal bank accounts in Xero. For this demonstration, we'll be working between an AUD PayPal account and a USD PayPal account. It's helpful to keep both accounts open in separate tabs so you can switch between them easily. In the source account, which in our example is the AUD PayPal account, locate the PayPal currency conversion transaction you need to reconcile. This is the outgoing side of the conversion, the amount that left AUD and was converted to USD. When you find it on the reconciliation screen, select Transfer. This tells Xero that this isn't a payment to a contact, but a movement of funds between your own accounts. Next, choose the destination account, which is the USD PayPal account. For our demo, we're transferring from AUD to USD. You'll see a currency conversion field. Enter the amount that arrived in USD as shown on your PayPal activity. Take a moment to confirm the date and amounts match what PayPal shows for that conversion. Accurate figures here ensure Xero posts the correct exchange impact without creating noise in your reconciliation. When everything looks right, click Reconcile. That completes the source side of the transfer. Now switch to the USD PayPal account. Open account transactions so you can view the incoming side of that same movement. Locate the matching transaction that represents the converted funds received in USD and click into it to review the details. If the amounts and date align with what you entered on the AUD side, open the options menu and select Mark as reconciled. This pairs the two sides of the transfer, so Xero recognizes it as a single currency conversion between your accounts. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see a match immediately, refresh the page and recheck the transaction date and exact converted amount from PayPal. If fees were taken separately, make sure those are handled as their own transactions and only enter the true converted amount here. Adding a brief note to the reference or description can make future reviews and audits much easier. That's it. You've reconciled a PayPal currency conversion in Xero end to end in just a few minutes.